Lightspeed Aviation Foundation, in association with AOPA Live, presents a Pilot's Choice finalist. The Recreational Aviation Foundation is keeping recreational aviation strong by preserving and maintaining backcountry and recreational airstrips throughout the United States. It was founded by a group of Montana pilots that realized the threat of recreational airstrip closure was a national concern. Today, the volunteer organization works to develop partnerships in protecting the common interest of the recreational flying community. The RAF works in cooperation with public and private landowners, managers, and aviation advocacy groups on state and national levels. The RAF has been a positive contributor to the world of aviation, giving people a reason to fly, building for the future, and preserving and protecting flying access to public and private lands. To learn more about this and other Pilot's Choice finalists, go to lightspeedaviationfoundation.org.